friends, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my Sweet Kawaii Design and Cricut Paper Co planner for the week of November 8th through 14th, and I want to use the new Kawaii subscription from Sweet Kawaii Design. I love the Kawaii subscriptions, and this right here, this jumbo sticker, I think I'm saving it for my planner next year because it's so cute. And then you actually get this bonus, and it's the fresh start bonus, which I think would be really fun too for the new year, to like put almost like a bucket list. So you get a lot of extra freebie stuff with the Kawaii kits, and I really love the deco and the little stars and the colors, so I thought it would be fun to use it today. There's Simon again. Oh my gosh, and I love this. Look at that flat lay with that planner. It's so cute. And then Tasia has been doing the double boxes, which I love, so that's exciting. Yeah, so that's the plan today. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today is Saturday, so this will be going up tomorrow for Sunday. Oh wait, let me get the dates. There they are. Did I just like literally just put them away again? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. I'll get it together at some point. I actually am like a huge homebody, especially now with COVID. And so I've been ordering so much Instacart, guys. Like once a week I'll order like Costco Instacart, I'll order Publix Instacart, and my husband was like, you have to stop. Like our grocery bill is astronomical. So today, oh my gosh, I actually went to Publix and Costco, which did, you know, obviously it does save you money, but I'm like, my goodness, it takes a lot of time. I don't know. I think their commercials are like accurate representation of time saved by not running to the store. I'm going to put down the headers and the date covers, and let's go from there. This planner is getting lovely and so chunky. You guys, it's so chunky. I've literally only used Sweet Kawaii Design stickers in here this year. I love it. It's fantastic. Then my dryer like broke. The dryer didn't break. The dryer works fine, but we have to get the dryer vent cleaned, and my husband's like really handy and he's been doing his best to do it, but for whatever reason it's like not clearing. So I've been without my dryer for, I know it's not a big deal, it's less than a week, but the amount of laundry that's piled up between the four of us is ridiculous. So I cannot wait for that to get fixed. Okay, I'm loving the colors. Let me put the dates. Oh, let me put down some bottom washi. Oh my goodness. All right, the real question is what color, because they're all adorable and I love them all. Oh my gosh, maybe we go with purple. This is like such a tough decision. I love this washi. It's so cute with the clouds. I'm trying to decide which full box to use because I like them all. They're all so cute. I really like this one right here. This is probably one of my favorites besides Simon. And it's purple. So let's put this one in the corner. So Monday I'm working So this will be perfect. And I will put the work typography there. Then I'm trying to color block too. I think that's where it's getting tough. Tuesday, I'm off, so let's put that. And we will put a checklist for sure. Oh, guys, like, let's not forget my show on Monday. I have to put in a special TV for Dancing with the Stars. Okay. Man, I love you guys putting up with me talking about it every single day. Okay. I think I'm gonna just separate it again. Okay. So, okay, I work Wednesday and Thursday. This is cute because it's like a double box too. Oh, that's cute. And then there it is there. Just gonna kind of do the same thing that I did. I'm gonna use this box only because I want a color block and none of the other purple ones are like appropriate for a work day. I have to put that there because I don't want to put like a relax and recharge on that day because it's not happening. And it's good because I have like a modified work schedule, so I can write that in. And then same kind of idea here. I have a class. Oh, that's the wrong color. Let me see if there's a pink. I can use this. No, peach. Sometimes I think I have colorblind issues, but I'm not colorblind, but I don't know. It's questionable sometimes when my view of colors. All right, let's put a weekend banner. That's cute. It on the end there, I don't know if you can tell, they're little stars. It's very cute. Tempted to try this. Kind of wondering why I picked Beau instead of George. I have no idea, but George actually matches better. That's cute. But I think this one is like a better angle to it. I don't know. It looks weird. Okay, so we'll print that there. And then I'm actually going to put him here with some of these really cool stars. I love that Tasia did this. I live for this deco. I'm trying to find something that I want to put for Wednesday since I'm working and I'm really not going to be doing anything else. I'm just going to put these little bottles. Say focus and self-love. And maybe some more of this. Oh, I'm like a sucker for all this, guys. I am loving it. Okay, and then Thursday, let's do the same kind of thing. Since I'm working. This is really pretty with the purple and the pink. I like that. Alright, so Friday I'll be in a class all day, but there'll be a couple opportunities to do some things at home. So I'm going to use some of these boxes and I will just write those things in. Okay, let's do Saturday and Sunday. I like kind of like making the day realistic. That way I'm not with these checklists on days that I'm working a 12-hour shift because it's just not going to happen. So I kind of like that better, to do it that way, even though it makes it all over the place a little bit. I think I'm going to go ahead on Monday, put in this rainbow, maybe not. It's fine. I'm just going to put this here because I realize that I'm really trying to make something like this work and it just doesn't. So let me put Frank there with a little cloud. Perfect. Okay guys, that was so much fun. And don't forget to sign up for the new Kawaii kit with Sweet Kawaii Design. Your signups are open now on the website. It's so worth it. This is the one kit that doesn't come to the shop, and it's only $25. So it comes for enough to do 4 weeks, or at least 3 good solid weeks, but you can get 4 weeks out of it for sure. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.